Hey guys, I just thought I'd give you this quick video. I'll pop this up on YouTube so you can have a look at it. Just a few little fundamental things that need to be done. Some of this I've suggested before. One is need to increase these Google reviews. That's a fairly fundamental thing, and anyone that's on the current mailing list probably should be asked for a review. I think that should happen. I think that's going to help increase your rankings for your Google My Business page. Also, you need to be putting in more photos and posts. You put in posts there, which is good, but I think there's some more photos. So the geotag photos that I mentioned earlier last year need to be popped up in there as well. Anyway, so here's the area number one there because the keyword was all city kitchens, so that's why it's on top there. Just want you to notice that all city bathrooms, kitchens, and extensions, and this award-winning timeless designs. Okay, and when I go to the website, that's what it looks like. This area here needs fixing up clearly. And when I look at I've got a scanning tool that I use for all city. The main things that are important are the title tag, the meta description, and the header tag. So this is stuff behind the scenes. Although that you'll see all city bathrooms and kitchens. That is what is seen there, and that's the title tag and the meta description. Award-winning timeless designs, etc. That is seen there. Okay, and the third thing that's important is H1 header tags, and you don't have any of those, and that's a bad thing. And you don't have any H2 header tags, and that's a bad thing. And when I look at this too, 39 images on your page, and 24 of them are missing the alt attribute. Now that's important too. So all these things are just easy to fix, things that can be done, some of them almost immediately, and that's just part of the SEO that needs to be done. But that will have an effect, and that's something that you haven't had the benefit of over the last whatever year since whenever the site has been last looked at from an SEO point of view. So there's a couple of things that could be done straight away. The other thing I thought I would look up and check is this is your address in the Google knows as your address, and that's your phone number that it knows. Now that's important in terms of a thing called citations, and citations are it's often name, address and phone number, which is the all city bathrooms and kitchens, the address being 516 Waverley Road, and the phone number being that 03595717,000. So when I look at across the web the presence that those details have, so when I do a little scan on that, okay, so this is based on a search in Australia. So I just did the search in Australia. I don't know if it says it in there. Change location. I think anyway, it was done in Australia, and when you look at that, that's pretty poor. You've got 16% out of all the listings that are actually correct. You've got a number that are incorrect, and you've got somewhere you don't have that presence. So that's where it's got the ticks that shows, yeah, all good. That's all good. On this white pages, it's missing the website, so that doesn't help. On here, that says Caulfield. It's confusing Google. On here, the website is missing. Again, it's not a good thing. Whenever we see things where it's different, so that's got 514 Waverley Road. Again, that's confusing Google. Here it is on another listing, and it's just got East, and then that number. Again, that's confusing Google. And then you've got somewhere you've got a tick, but there's a lot where you don't. And that one too, that's just HTTP. Now, you might not know what that means, but if it's HTTPS, that means it's secure, and your website is secure. That's why it's got this little lock there, and that tells me that it's okay to go there. I could go to another website that doesn't have that little lock, and it's insecure, and people won't go there. And that's fine, but in this case, it's saying go to HTTP, whereas this one says go to HTTPS. That one says HTTP. Again, it shouldn't say that probably. Anyway, so these are just some of the things that are very easy and quick to fix that, as part of the SEO campaign would be done immediately, and probably would have from the front page point of view, an almost immediate effect. All right, anyway, I'll send this up to you so you can have a look at it on YouTube. Ciao.